The White Negroni was created by a bartender named Wayne Collins while he was in Bordeaux, France to attend the Drinks International cocktail competition. So the story goes that while he was hunting around in a small town liquor store somewhere in Bordeaux with Plymouth Gin brand director Nick Blacknell, they were looking for Negroni ingredients, and they decided that since they were in France, why don't they make a Negroni out of French ingredients? Et voila! The White Negroni was born. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna just grab our glass and we're gonna build this cocktail straight in the glass. And we are gonna take some Suze, which is a bitter herbal liqueur from France, and do 3/4 of an ounce. Then we're gonna take some Blanc Vermouth here and do 1 ounce. 1.5 ounces of Plymouth gin because, you know, I mean, he was with the Plymouth brand director, and this is gonna go nicely in the cocktail. I'm gonna take our nice big rock of ice and a spoon and stir it down. And then we're just going to give this a nice lemon twist. Shall we, Marius? So there it is, guys, the White Negroni. Voila, let's taste it. Which is so nicely balanced. You have the bright botanical acidity of the Blanc Vermouth tempering the very robust botanical flavor of the Suze, and then you have the gin, also adding botanicals. It's all very nicely balanced. It has a nice bright pop of lemon. I don't have a lot to say for subs on this. There have been a lot of people that have made different recipes for various styles of White Negroni, but Suze is such a proprietary ingredient, and also Blanc Vermouth is such a proprietary ingredient that you could possibly switch the Blanc Vermouth out for dry vermouth, but it's going to be a slightly different flavor. The gin is not as proprietary. I mean, you do get this really nice kind of earthy citrusiness with Plymouth, which is a very specific style of gin, but London Dry would do in this cocktail just nicely. The thing that's gonna be really hard to sub out is that Suze, and I'm really gonna have to get back to you on that. So there it is, guys, the White Negroni.